Welcome back to our video series to help you create a high converting Shopify store with PageFly. In today's video, you'll learn how to add image and text elements onto your page. So PageFly works with a very simple drag and drop mechanism. So the first thing we want to do is come to the left toolbar, click on add element and choose a layout. So for this video, I'm going to go with the basic half-half layout. And we can see that this gives us two columns of equal width. So now we want to add some image and text elements inside each column. So we'll come to the left toolbar, use the search bar and type in image, and then we simply drag and drop this into the first column, and then we come back and search for a heading element, and this will go in the second column, and finally a paragraph, and we'll just pop this directly below the heading element. Now we just need to add an actual image, so we can click on the image element and come to the general tab on the right. This gives you the option to upload an image from your computer or use one that you've previously uploaded in the image manager. So we have an image right here and we'll choose this. And then we want to simply customize our text by clicking on it and typing in your desired message. Now to customize these elements, you simply click on them and head over to the styling tab, and here you can adjust a whole lot of parameters like the color, the font family and the size, like so. And we can do the same thing for the paragraph. And once you're happy with your customization, go ahead and publish the page and click live view to see how it looks in real time. And it's as simple as that. Don't forget you can reach us on our PageFly 24-hour support line within the PageFly dashboard.